Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today's video is a playroom organization video, which are probably going to be my favorite videos. Again, I love to declutter, I love to organize, and I love to clean. I just authentically enjoy it. And so I just get really excited about these types of videos. Yay! It's playtime! It's time to get in here and play! I get a lot of questions about how I keep my kids' playroom organized. I have a 4-year-old, a 2-year-old, and a 1-year-old, and sometimes it just gets a little hectic. Luckily, our playroom is a very large space, so we have a lot of room to work with, but with that is a lot of mess because that equals a lot of toys. Also, at the very end of this video, we are going to be announcing who won the makeup bag giveaway that we did in our last video. Make sure if you entered in the makeup bag giveaway to stick around to the end of the video, as we will be doing that announcement here shortly. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So obviously this playroom is a disaster. It's a mess. It's been trashed by my kids. We also had my nieces and nephews over the weekend, and so it just got trashed, which is great because this is a great opportunity for me to really get in here, declutter, clean, dust, reorganized. And seeing the playroom in this kind of condition really motivates me to get in here and reorganize. So here are the before pictures. Woo, I cannot wait to correct this. To help keep me motivated while I'm in here reorganizing, I usually put on music or a TV show in the background. Today, I'm going to be putting on the 90 Day Fiancé Tell-All. I've already watched this episode, but we are going to rewatch it just to have some background noise going on. Does anybody else watch this show? God, it's good. Also, I'm gonna make myself a piping hot cup of coffee. We gonna need that caffeine, okay? Let's get into it. Next step is to get the big furniture that's in the center of the playroom out. So in this case, it is my kids' playroom table and chairs. So let's go ahead and grab the table and chairs and pull those out of the room because we're really gonna utilize the center of this room. I really wanna make as much room as possible in the center of this rug. The next step is we're going to grab the large stuffed animals and in this case also the couches and place them on top of the big couch that I have here in the playroom just to get those out of the way. This next part is going to be a little crazy. Just stick with me. I promise there is a method behind the madness, but we are going dumping out all the toy bins, all the containers of toys, and put all the toys, big and small, in the center of the room. It's gonna get worse before it gets better. Just stick with me. Moving on, this little corner over here with the pink rug is Ella's baby toy corner. Just gonna get in here and make sure we pull everything out. Also, we're going to pull up this rug, shake it out, that way I can put it in the washer. I really love this rug because it's soft, it's cute, and it's really easy to clean. So after pulling the rug up, shaking it out, we're going to sweep that up and also sweep the surrounding area. Now that area has been swept, we're going to put the bigger toys back in that corner and move on. Really like these cube shelves only because they're really light, and so when I need to get behind them to clean, I just push it out the way, sweep behind it. Notice I'm hitting those baseboards up as I'm sweeping behind it, and when I'm done, I'm pushing it back up against the wall. They're really light, they don't scratch the floors, they're really cute and affordable, and I just really love them. We are also going to wipe this shelf down, getting inside those cubes, those fabric drawers out, cleaning on the inside, and putting them back. Already we are looking so much better, but just know we still have so much to go, and let me tell you, there is no turning back now. Let's get seated and really go through these toys. As I'm going through these toys, what I'm looking for are broken pieces, trash, articles of clothing, and this is a great time for me to go through the toys and set the toys aside that I would like to donate. Again, my kids' ages are 4, 2, and 1, and so it's really important to go through these toys often to make sure there are no small pieces, because we are still very much in the phase of I'm gonna put it in my mouth, I'm gonna put it in my nose, and I may put it in my ear. So my goal here is to touch every single toy in this playroom, figure out where it needs to go, whether it's the trash, donation, or in a specific toy bin. I want to point out the toy organizer behind me in the video with the green, red, yellow, and blue containers. This toy organizer I've dedicated to my son's toys, so trucks, cars, dinosaurs, dragons, tools, you name it. If it's a boy toy, it's going to be organized in this toy organizer. All right guys, so let's just get into the video. I'm gonna fast forward through a great portion of this and I will interject when I need to. Hopefully you will be able to notice what I'm doing with each toy as we're going through this. playroom organization, what I like to do is all the toys that are of the same kind or are of all the same purpose are going to go together. So all the Dr. Play tools will go together. All of the Barbies are going to go together. And now it's only a matter of time before the kids come back in here and destroy everything. But I love getting in here and cleaning and reorganizing everything just because it is more enjoyable for the kids to come in here and play. And honestly, if you keep up with it, it doesn't get really bad. All right, guys, if you've made it to the end of the video, it's time to find out who won the makeup bag giveaway. We had 12 entries into the giveaway. Here are all the names here. So we're going to place these, and because this is a playroom organization video, we're going to put them in the Minnie Mouse microwave, shake it up, and find out who our winner is. Here we go. They're in there. Give it a good shake. These giveaways are bittersweet only because there can be one winner, but have no fear, there's going to be more giveaways to come. So good luck to everybody. I wish we could have 12 winners, but there can only be one. And so let's find out who that is. Drum roll. Oh, I can't do a drum roll. And going to just pick one out of here. Here's the winner. It is Sammy. Sammy is the makeup bag giveaway winner. She wanted the marble gray. That's what I have written down. Sammy, you have won the makeup bag giveaway. Congratulations. To everybody else, don't worry, we're gonna have more giveaways in the future. All right, Sammy, so just email me at the email address that I'm going to list below. We'll link up together and figure out how we're gonna get this makeup bag to you. It's going to be shipped directly from Amazon. So excited that you won. Again, congratulations. And to everybody else, don't worry, we're gonna have another giveaway. All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and look for those future giveaways. Again, congratulations to Sammy. Make sure you email me so we can get this makeup bag to you. And y'all stay safe and healthy, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. And I just forgot what I was saying already. Yeah, shake the nerves. My hands are orange. It's with a oops. Today we are going to be organized. Wow. It's good. Why would I love a corner? Allah! You're ruining mommy's video. I look really mad in this video. I don't know why. I wasn't even recording. I was talking. I wasn't even recording.